Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is James. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to be notified of future content. So recently on my new Kashyyyk MOC video, I got a couple comments asking for tutorials on like the pillar, maybe the little spinning mechanism on there, the doorway. Also, I will be doing some tips on the rock work and how I achieve that look, and maybe this curved window and the doorway and things like that. So I'm just going to make a tutorial video showing you how I achieve those things, and hopefully you can learn something and improve your own MOC. Alright guys, so first up we're going to start out with the tutorial on how to make the pillar design. So first up you will need 8 of these 1x8 plates, or plates, the flat pieces. Literally any 1x8 piece would work fine for this. You will also need a bunch of studs. The color doesn't really matter. You'll need about 39. I have 39 here. The color doesn't matter very much. You'll need a circular little plate, not a big deal. And then the big thing you'll need are 4 of these studs all over pieces. So I forget what they're called, but they have studs on every side except the bottom. You'll need 4 of those. Alright, the next step is to make a bunch of these things. So you just put the studs on like that, and you have it on all 4 sides. So, oh wait, this one's on the wrong side. So, except for the top, you have them on all the sides. So, make 4 of those, and then on one of them, leave the stud kind of off a bit. And then what you want to do next is offset them as you put them on. So, just like this. So, as you can see, they're kind of offsetted. So, your next step is to place the tiles all around the pillar thing, just like this. And once you have them all placed, then you kind of push them in, press down a bit, and it'll give it the straight appearance, which looks really nice. Maybe you can make a steamroller thing or just a pillar, but that's really cool. And then obviously the last step, just put this in the bottom so you can place it down wherever you want. You can't place it down just on a studded plate because the sides are too low, but you can do it just flat plates around it, so it'll look nice and flush and be a really cool design feature. Alright, next up, some of you wanted to know how I achieved this little weather vane design, so I will be showing that right here in this video. So first up, you'll need 2 of these little connectable pieces. You'll need 2 of these little Technic pieces. You'll need 1 of those studs all on sides piece. You'll need 4 of these binocular pieces, and some of these little angle racket bars, and a stud with a hole in the middle, a steering wheel, 2 Technic pins, preferably in a matching color, 2 little mountain pickaxes, I guess you could call them, a little stick, like a little bar, I guess. And the hardest to find piece is a tire tread in this light gray color, so you'll need that. You can always switch out the colors and make it how you want to. First up, you'll take the piece with the studs all over. You'll take these binocular pieces and just kind of put them on all sides of that, kind of like the UCS ATST, the little gun right there, but it's actually just a design right there. So you also stick the little pole into the stud with the hole in the middle, and then send that through, and you may need to push it through with like another piece, so just like so. So next up, you take this little steering wheel piece and put it right on top of that, and just like so. And you take the little connectable piece right there, and then you can set that right on that, just like so. Next up, you take this Technic piece and you stick these little Technic bar pieces, I guess. Put them right there, and then you take the little Technic pins and stick them in the side there. They'll only go halfway through. And then you take the pickaxe pieces and stick them in the side, just like so. And then the little, we'll do that one last. Then you stick it on like that. And you put the little thing right there. And voila, there you go. So how I achieve the little mechanism with the conveyor belt is you need one of these pieces and you need 2 of these tan gears. So as you can see, it's not as complicated as you might think it is. In the base, I actually have it turned on its side like that, so it'll twist the conveyor belt just like so. But you can see right in there, the gears, when you spin this side, it just spins the top one. Alright, so next up we are going to talk about how I achieve the rock face and doorway. So right here you can see the curvature on the rock right here also. You can see right there. And then over on this side you can see right here and here. Those 2 portions of rock are curved. So to do this, I actually used the ball joint piece to kind of give the rock any angle that it could have. So it really doesn't matter. There's no limitations to what angle it can be at. And then this little doorway, how I got it to be sloped is it actually isn't stuck in there. It's just on 2 cheese slopes at the bottom, and I wanted it to match the angle of the gray slope. So right there it is, it's not stuck down, but the 2 trees on the side kind of hold it in place from sliding out. So that is how I did this. And also this floor right here is not, so it's studs or bricks on the side, so that's how I did that also. Alright guys, before we end out this video, I'd like to thank all my brand new subscribers since yesterday. So if you haven't noticed, I've gained quite a few subscribers since Tuesday, so that feels really nice, and I appreciate you guys all subscribing, and thank you for growing my channel, and you can be sure that there will be great content on the way. So like always, thanks for watching.